Guys, welcome to AcuTech. Today I am going to show you in Microsoft Excel how we can use and how we can work with the wrap text and Merchant Center. A very useful feature in Microsoft Word, but people get confused while using, and they feel some problem. So this wrap text and merge wrap text in Microsoft Excel and in other spreadsheet programs where we can use this text feature, and it shows all information in a cell, right? This is the cell and all information in one cell. Even it overflow the cell boundary, like let's do with the example. Like we have an example table and serial number, and okay, it would be, let me do something valuable for you guys. So here's we have employee table, or salary records, or whatever you can say, and then we have salary, serial number, and then name of the employee, and the basic salary, and the allowances from the company. Let me do it in bigger so you can see it easily what's going on. Okay, so we have basic salary and then house allowances. Okay, house allowances, and then medical allowances you have to give to the employee, and then traveling and whatever traveling allowances. Just click here to see the full view, and here allowances we have 45% of the salary, basic salary, and then medical allowance we have 35%, and it's very on what sort of document you are doing. And the traveling allowance, it's 20%. It's up to you, it's up to your company. And now we can see serial number, and you can drag up to how many employees do you have, and then just click here and make it, and name John, Smith, David, Michael, and Dave. Let's suppose now we just did. Okay, now we can see the basic salary is $12,000, 1,500, it's 15,000, 20,000, 16,000, and 25,000. Now you can see, and the allowances, before going to calculate the allowances, what we have to do is just border the table. So how you can do that, just select all the boundary like this and just go to the table, and you can just all border. Here you can see. Okay, so we have now allowances, and now the first problem we have employees salary records. Okay, so what I want this in the middle of the table, on the top, on the middle. So what do I have to do? If I put this here, so it here, but you can see there's the cells in between. So if you want to merge from here to there, okay, and you just want to make it one cell, so how you can do that? You just select from the start and to the end, and just go to the merge and center. Here you can see that with help of this feature, this tool, you can merge and make your text in center, and you can make it more visible, and then you want to change the color like this, and even you can put the background color, like I want this time this light color, and you can see. Now this is merge and center. As you can see, this you can do in merge and center. But the second problem which I have, allowances, like this is the allowances we have, and 45 I want, because here if I do this something like this, so here we are not going to calculate whole the salary statement stuff, but we just try to learn this 45 allowances. The person I want just make in one cell like this. If I put this, so it should be under the allowances, and this should be in one cell and show all the information. It's not crossing the border like this. So what I have to do, select all column you have, you want to wrap the all information, and just go there, and then here you can see wrap text. Just click here, and then you can see. Okay, so now just I have just click here, wrap text. As you can see, it's selected. Now what you have to do, just click here and just make it close, make it more close to the, as you can see it's going down, and just click here, and then you can see like this. Select all column and then merge and center. After that you have center. As you can see, house allowance and this medical allowance is 35% even if you want to do it in, and 20% if you want to do that, and you can see that, and it's center. And if you want to make it bold, and if you want to put the color, and if you want make all these on the center like this. This is how you can format your table like this. So you have just done a format for your table. Like now it's not spreading on the 2 or 3 columns, like you want just write in type your text in one cell. So hope you like and understand. So if you like, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you very much.